Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT Neo 3T, and today I'll show you how you can access recovery mode on this device. So to get started, you want to hold the power key and I think volume up. Select power off. And when the device turns off, you want to hold power and volume down. Now when you see the REALME logo, let go of the power key but keep holding the volume down. There we go. As you can see, you will see a language selection like this one, so simply tap on your desired language and then it will give you three options right here. So one of them, format data, basically just removes all the data from the device, a factory reset of the phone. Then we have reboot and power off the device, which are two ways of leaving this mode. So there we go, that's about it for recovery mode. Now I'm gonna select reboot and OK, and this will bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.